my channel. Are you looking on how to replace a battery on your Ford flip key? You are in the right place because we're starting right now.
Alright guys, today we're going to show you how to replace a battery on a flip key for Ford. All you need to do is, there is a small gap here, you take a flathead screwdriver, you put it inside and then just pop the key open. After we open the key, we just take the battery out. We're going to put a new one in, and then we just put the key cover back, and that's it. We're all done. You see, it's very easy. You can do it yourself.